In Club of Books, today we are going to see the book Rich Dad, Poor Dad. In this book we see the 4 parts. In first part we are going to see the 2 chapters. In introduction, author says he had 2 fathers. One is his father and another one is his friend father. And his father had done PhD and his friend father had done 8th. In about money, both have different opinion, he says, but both commonly says to read, he says. And he also says his father says to do read good, then he can go to a good job. And his friend father says read good, well, then you can hire people to job. His dad, poor dad, avoids to talk about money. Rich dad, his friend dad, talks about how money works. In first chapter we see the rich don't work for money. He says in this proper physical exercise of a person can increase their health chance, and proper mental exercise can increase their wealth chance, and laziness decreases both health and wealth, author says. People says not interested in money, but they work 8 hours a day, author says. 8 hours a day. Humans are connected by 2 emotions, their fear and greed, author says. Not work for money, make money work for you, author says here. In second chapter he says who teach financial literacy, he says. In this, if you want to be rich, you should be learn financial knowledge, he says. Rich people acquires assets, that is profit. Poor and middle class acquires liabilities, expenses, and they think that is assets. Assets means you can put your money in pocket, where liabilities takes money out of the pocket. Let's see the cash flow pattern of asset, how it works. As assets income comes, it will be go to the profit, we get the profit. In liabilities cash flow pattern, has you have an expense and it will be in a liabilities, will not get an assets or income. See, literacy means in both numbers and words it is a foundation for your financial struggle. Let's see the cash flow pattern of poor person. If they will get an income and they will be get a job salary, expenses will be more and they will be not get any assets or liabilities. In the middle class cash flow pattern, there will be get a income in a job salary and there will be have expenses, tax, car, credit card bills. As assets there will be not get anything. As a liabilities, mortgage, car loans, credit card, school loans. We'll see the rich person's cash flow pattern means there will be income, rental house, like that, and there will be get expenses, tax, mortgage payments, but they will be get assets and liabilities. Assets means real estate, stocks, bonds, notes. In liabilities, customer loans, credit card bills, they will we have. Cash flow pattern tells how person handles money, author says, whereas as your income goes up, our expense also goes well. If you dug yourself, stop digging yourself. Japanese have 3 powers to handle the money. The first is the sword, the power of weapons, that says. Second is the jewelry, where jewelry means power of money, they know. And third is mirror. In the mirror, they know the self knowledge, author says. The person who are highly educated, professionally successful, but they are financially illiterate, author says. Let's see the balance sheet of rich dad. What they think about home means they think as a liabilities, where poor thinks it is as a assets. The rich acquires assets, that is profit. The poor and middle class they acquires liabilities, expenses, and they think it is as a profit and assets, author says. Then there are assets. If you like this video, like, share, subscribe to channel, subscribe. Thank you friends for watching.